Our next performer, Clarence, is ready to take the stage and do a monologue of MLK's life. Clarence, please come on stage.
Good evening. I see a lot of beautiful faces tonight. I'm about to start. Right. Mother said nothing lasts forever, but when does forever last? Is it when you die and never come back, or is it when everyone forgets you? When the last person to remember me passed, am I completely forgotten? I wonder what will happen. Probably nothing, just an itch. But should I be worried of it? I don't know if I'd like to be remembered or forgotten forever. Recalling all the things I've done, I've helped my people and told them to use love instead of guns. Everyone hates me. I don't need to repeat myself. But what if the one who loved me lives forever? Will they love me? Will the memory of me live forever? Forever in their hearts? This probably won't last. They won't love me forever, but forever lasts. Nothing lasts forever. Just take a look at the past.